गजाननयुतं गणेश्वरं गजाननयुतं गणेश्वरम्.
She's acted in serial, the continuity role. She's acted in Suvarna channel. She's acted in Z Kannada channel. Acted in advertisements. Today we are so happy to be amongst this little champion's presence, Mona Gowda. She's been here harassing me throughout the show. There you go. Please give a big round of applause. Can you please have Ananya and Niharika on stage? Can you please have Ananya and Niharika to please come up on stage? Ladies and gentlemen, Ananya Niharika is a KFI young actress, acted in several movies, model Little Princess in Kid Universe title Miss, the winner at Anish Creations Face of Good.
Yes, Sandeep. Yes, close Bella. This is down, Madhya. Ah, okay. Yes, ready, sir. Thank you.
Thank you once again. We like to do a little trick on these two people. These two big mischief makers. Yeah, you're a big mischief maker. How old are you?
9.
Today, which year we are in? What is the year? 2024. Yes. She told me that if I'll be a simple shake, she'll be double shake. Right?
Yes.
She's going to dance also today. Yeah? You'll dance, right? Awesome. What is 1 plus 1? Okay, she's talented. I thought you were 4 years old.
Wow.
Okay, great. You know, the sister is very quiet. She's also multi-talented, right?
Yes.
Right?
Yes.
I thought that you look 9 years, she looks 4 years. She won't talk. She's a silent mischief maker. Hey, she troubles you at home? She's not your home. Okay, I thought they both are sisters. I just wanted to clarify from her to understand that whether would you adopt her as a sister? Right? Great, awesome. Moon, yeah. As I told, I'll come to a school. I'll eat all the children's tiffin box. Now, I'll come to school, but I'll eat everybody's tiffin box.
I will leave, but teachers will not.
She said, my principal is my friend. I will ask her to come. Anyways, can we have some performance? You guys have been a mirch masala here throughout.
Okay. I can ask for you one question.
Yeah.
I'm so scared. Audience opinion. Should I take the question?
Yes.
I'm so scared. This little girl is going to make a big mess. Okay, easy one, huh? Otherwise, I'll not buy you ice cream. Okay, now. Oh God, huh? Arun ice cream. Okay, fine. Match fixing. No, I'm scared of her actually. From the time I've come, she's like, I will rock you. Okay, should I take the question? Audience? Louder? Okay, like the energy boys. Ask easy question, okay?
Okay. Now should I tell? My name is Mona. Why I did not put Mauna?
Because I'm Moona. I'm Luna.
Shall I tell the answer? Because Mauna means silent. I am violent.
Oh, I did not understand that. Because you look opposite. You're a bullet shot. You make so much noise.
I am violent.
One dialogue from your movie.
Movie? No.
Rajkumar.
I tell Rajkumar. ಒಂಚು ಹಾಕಿ
experience. One take.
ಅವಳು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದು ನಾನು ನಿಜವಾಗ್ಲೂ ಹೇಳಕ್ ಬರಲ್ಲ.
ನಿಜವಾಗ್ಲೂ one take she just made us
ಸೂಪರ್ ಆಗಿ
breathless.
ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು. ಅವ್ರ ಪೇರೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಇದಾರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಸಖತ್ತಾಗಿ ಸಖತ್ ಟ್ಯಾಲೆಂಟ್ ಇದೆ. ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಡ್ರಾಮಾ ಜೂನಿಯರ್ಸ್ ಆಡಿಷನ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ನೇನು ಶುರು ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಅವಳನ್ನ ಕಳಿಸಿ, ಯಾರಿಗೊತ್ತು ತುಂಬಾ ದೊಡ್ಡ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ ಆಗ್ಬೋದು, ಹಾಗೆ ಆಗ್ತಾಳೆ. 100% ಟ್ಯಾಲೆಂಟ್ ಇದೆ. ಆಲ್ ದ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ ಪುಟ, ಒಳ್ಳೇದಾಗ್ಲಿ.
Well, they say silence is the best medicine, right? We have a very beautiful girl. One dialogue or one performance. You want to sing? Dialogue, huh? See, she's just asking dialogue. Such a sweet girl you are. Seriously, but we cannot accept such a sweetness opposite this Mirchi here, right? Such a combination. Something should Okay, let's start one dialogue with her.
ಏನ್ ಹಂಗ್ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ಯಾ? ಶಾಕ್ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಆಗ್ಲೇಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ತಾನೇ ನಿನ್ನ ಈ ಜಾಗಕ್ಕೆ ಕರ್ಕೊ ಬಂದಿದ್ದು. ನಿನ್ಗೆ ಪ್ರಮೋಷನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದು ನಿನ್ ಡಿಪಾರ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟೇ, ಆದ್ರೆ ಮಾಗ್ಡಿ ರೋಡ್ಗೆ ಪೋಸ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಹಾಕ್ಸಿದ್ದು ನಾನು.
Well.
ಆರ್ಮುಗಂ ಕೋಟೆಗೆ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದು.
ಇದು ಆರಮುಗ ಕೋಟೆ ಕಣೋ.
Wow. Come on. I was expecting silence is the best treatment, they say. Do you really want to rework over said silence is the best treatment? What a magic, what a bomb, what a Mirchi. Can we have both the parents to please come up on stage of this young talent? Can we have both the parents of Mona, Gowda and Niharika's parents to play? Ananya, Niharika. Yes, baby. You are going to anchor. One day or sure, all of them are going to hire you.
Ma'am, 1 second, ma'am. Ma'am, you are telling for them talk two words, ma'am. They have to tell only good evening, everyone. No, ma'am. You should tell 2 sentences and or 2 paragraphs. No, ma'am.
Yes. Who's that? Who you want to ask them a question?
Ma'am, from that time onward, so many came to stage. No, ma'am.
Yeah.
First only he was asking talk two words. No. They
Talk
was
2 words. That's it. Because they're very scared of Anish. Because they're on media. But anyways, you're very expressive. We're so happy to be amongst this beautiful talent. Once again, congratulations to the entire family.
Next competition for
Thank you. Hey, one dance performance koduma. Ivaga. Right now. Okay, she's going to dance. Shall we set the stage on fire? Shall we say fire?
Yes.
You say fire. No, I want the audience to say fire. Let the fire begin. Okay, nobody wants to set the stage on fire. They want some break. Can we have the music, please?
sweet smile, no?
Introduce yourself.
myself, Mona Gowda from Electron City, Bangalore.
Okay. Today you got an award from the administrations, right? For which category you got the award?
Because I do so much movies, serials, 2 serials in Star Swana and Z5. So I will do own voice also. So I got prize from Anis Creations.
Okay. Along with your studies, do you want to take acting as a full-time profession?
No. Of 100%, 50% acting, 50% education.
Very good. You are balancing both, right? Okay. What is your future goal?
Doctor with acting.
Doctor with actor. Oh, two incomes.
And carry book also, no?
Oh.
So my goal also is good.
Okay. After becoming doctor, you will get lots of money.
No.
No.
I'll do acting also, no?
Acting also. Free of cost, or you will get money. Okay. So will you do the social work or will you charge more for the patients?
No. Both also I will do.
Okay. Say thanks to Anish Station for giving award.
Heartful thanks for Anis sir. I'm very thankful.
Wow. Very good. Very good. Wish you.
Find my talent from Instagram.
So good, so good. Wish you all the very best. Do well, achieve more. ಹೇಳು ಅನನ್ಯ, ನೀನು ರೀಲ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ತುಂಬ ಜೋರಾಗಿ ಮಾತಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೇನು ಎನರ್ಜಿ ಸೀಕ್ರೆಟು, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಲೋ ಆಗಿ ಮಾತಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್? ಹೌದಾ? ಸೊ ಒಂದು ಪಾತ್ರ ಅಂತ ಬಂದಾಗ, ಒಂದು ಅಭಿನಯ ಅಂತ ಬಂದಾಗ ಜೀವ ತುಂಬಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ತಾನೆ? ಓಕೆ, ಇವತ್ತು ಅನೀಶ್ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಅವರು ನಿಮಗೆ ಅವಾರ್ಡ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಈ ಐಕಾನ್ ಅವಾರ್ಡ್ ತೊಗೊಳ್ಬೇಕು, ಭಾಳ ಸಾಧನೆ ಮಾಡಿರೋದು. ಅಂಥ ಸಾಧನೆ ಲಿಸ್ಟಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಸೇರಿರೋದು ಅಂತ ಹೇಗೆ ಅನಿಸ್ತದೆ? ಓಕೆ, ಸ್ಕೂಲಲ್ಲಿ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಇದೆ? ರೀಲ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡೋದಂದ್ರೆ ಕೆಲವು ಟೀಚರ್ಸ್ ಇಷ್ಟ ಆಗಲ್ಲ, ಆ ಥರ ಏನಾದ್ರು ಆಗಿದೆಯಾ? ಹಂಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ಬಾರ್ದು ಕ್ಯಾಮ್ರಾ ಎದುರುಗಡೆ, ಎಲ್ಲ ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಅದರಿಂದ ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್. ಫ್ರ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಆಗಿ ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಸತ್ಯನೇ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಓಕೆ, ಅವ್ರು ಒಪ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋ ಥರ ನಾಳೆ ದಿನ ನೀವು ಬೆಳೆದು ಇನ್ನೂ ಸಾಧನೆ ಮಾಡಿ ತೋರಿಸ್ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಆಲ್ ದ ವೆರಿ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್. ಗಾಡ್ ಬ್ಲೆಸ್ ಯು.
His presence. Once again, this man is multi-talented. Thank you so much. Thank you, Anish, for all your efforts. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. You may please sit back. Anish doesn't speak. He's a silent person, but you can call him. He'll be available.